Hello everyone, today is Free Advice Friday and we are on the road.
Chris, I've just remembered we've not set alarm.
Joking.
Oh.
My God. Give me the iPad. Let's have a look. Oh, arm. Right. That should be okay.
Is that it?
That's it. Off we go. Off
Great.
we go.
Great. Right. Oh, Chris,
What?
I forgot my bag.
You are joking. You are joking.
Oh, and I'm gonna have to go back in again.
Hang on. Give me the iPad. Can do this on my iPhone as well. Unset the alarm. We'll go back then.
Oh, that's great. I can just rush in now.
Did you know you can unset your intruder alarm system from either a mobile phone or an iPad, no matter where you are in the world? Well, you can. If you want to know how, get in touch with me, Crism Security. That's Chris Mortimer. Thank you very much for your comments and posts last week, and I'm looking forward to yours for this week, and we'll see you next week.